With age, we lose height, and that's normal process. Is it? Actually, you can slow it down or even reverse it if you do the following few techniques. The main issue we have here is that we are continuously being compressed by the G-force. It never gives up on us. There are no movements or position day or night which are decompressive to our spine. Even laying, sleeping positions or while swimming are only neutral but not decompressing. Besides having an ergonomic sitting posture and working desk and reducing cell phone use, here are a few exercises you can do to help with decompression and posture. For active decompression, you could do daily front bending with arms on knees, back straight while loading the weight on the arms and releasing the back. Second, arm stance on an edge of a desk and using lower body weight to decompress upper body. You could do hanging or even loaded hanging. However, prior to load hang, consult with a chiropractor. He or she needs to clear you for that. You don't want to attempt that if you have weakly supported vertebrae. To further improve your posture and make the results of the decompression last, here are a few stretching exercises you should add into your routine. By kneeling in front of a bench or your bed and then extending the humerus and stretch lat and pec. The next one is neck exercises, especially iso hold and extensions, farmer's walks, deadlifts, chin-ups, all promote strengthening the posterior chain. Strengthening the posterior chain as hamstring, glutes, lower back, and upper back. Your success here depends on two things. First of all, being regular. Number two is working progressively. Hope this was valuable to you. If so, please help us by sharing with friends and colleagues, like and subscribe, and shoot me any questions you have. I will answer personally. Get strong and live long. Thank you for watching.